Here's a special guest. Several.
How are you doing? I'm a really special guest because, yeah. So for you have to know, this is a book on the other side of the room. I'm going to take you off.
Jack! You're not the best in Minecraft. Jeez.
Jack, sit down.
Jeez. Don't show the butt to the people.
Down. Get down.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a great videos for you today.
And then,
Oh my god.
okay.
So we have a great video.
Food.
Yeah, and we got 1, 2,
With a drink.
1, 2, 4. Okay, so we have 5 American things. And no, this is German.
No, Japanese.
No, this is Japanese.
But we got 2 random drinks.
Okay, so we're gonna do. Wait, what candy should we do first?
I think we should do the jam.
Okay, so from the Germany, we have knoppers.
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 Oh, yeah,
So everybody
knoppers.
loves those knoppers. I think we've got a
Oh, yeah, everyone likes the knoppers.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm opening the knoppers.
And we've also got
Here's an apple for you.
Posh M&M's.
There's an apple for you.
The American M&M's.
Ah! I can't let get my knuckle off.
That just sounds weird. I can't get my knobbers off.
Okay. Knoppers.
That's what they look like.
Yeah, they look like biscuits. Hey, that's biscuit. Oh, wait, no, sorry. It's upside down, that's why.
Looks like a pink wafer with chocolate. With just
Pink wafer. I can't even open mine. It feels so straight.
love that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat it and pack it. Okay, ready? It's a big knockoff. Nothing got over with my fast. I don't know. What would you rate this thing?
9 out of 10.
No, 10. I rate it 8. With the chocolate having okay. Hey! That's a knocker. Next up, what should we do? How do you think?
Let's do Butterfingers.
We have Nessie Butterfinger Bites. So this is peanut butter, right? I'm a big fan of peanut butter, but it's been a dream of mine to try a Butterfinger. It's a bit weird, isn't it? I don't
It's
know.
not always on about
I know. It's always about Butterfingers, and I watch a lot of taste tests as well, and they're always eating something from Butterfinger related. And we also got some Reese's Pieces as well, because we're always on about Reese's. Wow. Or Reese's. What are they called? Reese's? I don't know. Some people call them Reese's, some people call them Reese's. Anyway, let's open
And we
this
also
thing.
got these.
Let's put my opening skills on.
Mike. So Mike and Ike. Such a great name.
I'll open them. Isn't it Percy Jackson? He's got all good choices. I know. Okay, I'm just opening the box the wrong way, but whatever.
Mike the Knight.
Speed this up a bit. Okay. Ooh, this is funny. So here's a Butterfinger.
I do enjoy a Butterfinger.
Right. Wow. I think they stuck our whole peanut in that.
I've had this taste before though.
I think it's there's like peanut M&M's. I didn't get peanut M&M's.
So next up we've got Reese's.
What's that?
Next up we've got Reese's Pieces.
What do you rate that?
Oh, I rate that about.
I'm wondering.
I'll do. But it tastes like normal pieces.
They're like
M&M's.
This is why we've got peanut butter ones, I don't know. Right, what's this?
Reese's Pieces. We thought we would have it because it's in the movie too.
Oh yeah. Hey, what about Paul's Reese's Pieces? Oh, forget about Paul's Reese's Pieces.
I know. This video is already gone 5 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, for a drink, we're having these.
I don't need to do some more. Right, what colour Reese's Pieces would you like? Yellow, brown, or orange?
Orange.
Orange Reese's Pieces. I'm gonna go with
They
brown.
look like
M&Ms.
Skittles.
Like Skittles.
Smart. Thank you. I'll give you more. I am going.
Doing good, eat more. Good. I hate peanut butter, that's good.
Tastes like a peanut butter Smartie.
Mm-hmm.
What are we having next?
When you rate it, right?
9.5 out of 10.
I do our last peanut butter thing. And this is the M&M. It's got the M&M on it.
Why has it got weird people?
Oh, that's a paper. Not paper.
Americans have some weird M&Ms.
Right,
I've never really
Pink.
had them. Blue.
blue colours. Right, the first. You miss me. Go.
Oh, that's good.
I think I just got a thing of chocolate.
Like you eat it, and then peanut butter just melts in your mouth.
No, it is.
Man. Right.
Yeah.
I rate that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Right.
Milky Way caramel.
We have Milky Way here, but I think they're different. Okay.
I think that's the
I think this is more like Mars.
like a Milky Way monster. We live in the Milky Way. Wait, do we live in the Milky Way?
Yes, we do live in the Milky Way. Right.
Yep, that's a Mars one.
Right.
Yeah, right. I'll have it right.
Right. My fault was more caramel. Yeah. You can't go wrong with mine. 10 out of 10 for me.
I'll give it 8 for effort.
8 for effort. Okay. Mike and I.
You're gonna need the blue one, I'm gonna need the green one.
Okay, we got
Or
different
red.
flavors of them. Kiwi banana and Caribbean punch, strawberry banana.
I want the
Paradise
red
punch or
one.
Magno.
I want the red one. For
I just
the
called
red
it
one.
Magno. It's mango.
Magno! That sounds like a sweet. If we get enough money, we should create a sweet, yeah?
Take a
And
friend.
call it man?
Any flavor?
Is this red or pink?
Red. Right. Let's go. Ah, good. Want more. Want more. How good. 10 out of 10. Right. Our last things.
Right.
Aloe vera drink. Right, so we got one each.
I got grape.
I got mango. Should we try ours each and then switch?
Just like one sec.
Open.
Oh,
Is it poppy? Oh, that sounds good.
But they got green mix.
This is good, right. Oh, it is poppy.
There's something in my mouth.
It's pulp. Right. 3, 2, 1. Tastes like it's nothing. You don't want chocolate. Look.
I like the grape one better because it doesn't have lumps in it.
It does have room to it as well. I really like it.
I like the grape one though. The orange one.
Is it orange?
I rate
It is
it
good,
1 out.
it is.
I rate that one 1 out of 10.
I rate this 10 out of 10, I rate that one
I rate this one like 9.9. But the other one, ugh.
I can't stop drinking this, it's so good.
I know we just got normal Pepsi. I guess they're really bad. Well, that finishes.
I'm gonna stop drinking this now, but
That finishes this video
yeah, for
Hope
the
you
next
enjoyed.
video.
of the ball gummy tails. Because the ball gummy technically can't be a channel. Because it's not ball gummy things. Yeah. Bye. And then